Alright, hey YouTube, Doomasaucer here, back with another video. In this round, we're throwing it back quite, I don't know how long. How many years ago? Almost 22 years. By the time this is out, almost 23. To the original Giant Lightning Boogie Vans line. It's almost the entire set. I have 17 of the 18 cars. I got a few extras just to kind of make up for that one missing one. Yeah, go ahead and show off real quick. Couple loose ones I've had already. Probably been watching my videos for a while. You might recognize this one from a video a good while back. Got this one loose at a local antique shop. So that's the Chevy G20. I got this G20 from Nate's Collectibles shop a while back as well. And then these two Econolines, the silver one is just a random release. I don't remember exactly what line this one is from, but Area 51 deco. I got this one loose. I don't even remember how or where, but yeah, just kind of a neat Ford Econoline. And then this one, the Sunrunner, is actually one from the an older classic plastic release. When Johnny Lightning did a line of cars where the car itself was made to look like the box art car for some model kits, old model kits, and that's what this Econoline is. So we'll go ahead and get right to it. First up, we got one of the many 77 Ford Econolines here. This one in black with orange, purple, and red deco here. Here's this one. So, pretty cool deco. That wheel is kind of messed up. And these are actually my favorite wheels that Giant Lightning does. The two-piece wheels with the this cap. They almost look like their version of Real Riders. They call real wheels, but indeed they are just plastic. But they just look really good, and they can use different inserts because this one here has kind of like a steely insert. This one, Crater 5 spokes. Next up, another Econoline. This one in yellow with just some black deco on it. That is a 76 Econoline. Oh yeah, nope, that's right. These ones are, it's a race wheel because it's got that inner lip there. So this is a race wheel. Usually, it pretty much always comes with that 6-spoke center hub. So that is that Econoline. Next up, I didn't realize there's like, did I have all the Econolines together? Jesus. Alright, another Econoline, also marked as a 76. And yes, I'm going to save all those stickers, just toss the inserts out for now. Yeah. So, here's this one. I really like the primary color on this one. It's really cool teal. Let's see if I can clean that up a little bit. Almost seems like it had something on it from the factory or something in the card. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Take a little acetone to the roof there and see if I can clean that up. Alright, next up, another Econoline, 76. This one in like that silver with the stripes. And another insert for that wheel I really like. Actually, no, this is a separate, different wheel altogether. So, not the one. That's right. That's a different. Nope. No one. As you can see, the wheel is slightly different. Or the tire part, I should say. Yeah. Who doesn't love a van? Alright, next up, we got the 77 Dodge D150. There is our Dodge van. And yes, all three of these have been used during the round 2 era of Johnny Lightning. I know, like, the Dodge and the Econoline were in a 2-pack together for a while. I know the Econoline's been done a few times in Street Freaks for, what do you call it? Boogie Vans set. I know the G20 has been used a few times as well. I know it was used in the blacked out series. Yeah, I think it was blacked out. I can't remember what are the black series they use in Street Freaks. It's actually one of my favorite pairs I opened up last year for the my 2023 year-end list. Anyway, yeah, here is one of the Dodges. Next up, we got other parts and service card. They actually did this with all 3 vans in this line. The Dodge is on the back row there somewhere. Here is this one. Next up, another G20. This one in like kind of that champagne color with this kind of psychedelic look on the side. Come on. Oh, that's actually taped to that. Huh. Okay. Alright, and there is our G20 with the racing wheels. That's right, that is a different insert. That's got the 5-spoke, that one's got the 6. That is a different, okay, anyway. Yeah. More fun. Alright, next up, another G20. This one in white and that, like, you know, what you call it, rainbowish colors. To the side, I will save that sticker. Line those back up. There we go. Pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, next up, another G20. This one in red, white, and some tan, yellow, and orange on it. Yeah, so the original set, these Boogie Vans, they did 3 sets originally, 6 vans each set. Don't recall seeing these in stores back then, but at the same time, that was right at the end of my time in high school and beginning of college, so wasn't really looking around much at the time. So there's that one. Alright, now it's mostly Dodges for the rest of this because I had it already opened basically all the others. Alright, so next up we got the silver one with the tropical background. Okay. Oh yeah, I want to keep all these cards. Yeah, whatever. Alright. I'll fix it later. No fat wear wheels on this one. The Dodge is definitely my least favorite of the 3. It's got some of the cooler decos. I really like that tropical one and this one on the yellow 76 D150. Pretty cool. That one. Next up, almost like American Glory version of the D150. Basically, I'm sure many of you have seen Dazed and Confused. I could definitely see this van being on that. Although this is technically 77, so that would have been a year early. Yeah, because that movie's set in 76. That's the blue one. Next up, got this silver one in whatever the hell deco that is. Okay. Line these wheels back up. Here we go. And there we are. Yeah, I have no idea what the hell that's supposed to be. Alright, next up, G20, just some simple flames. There we are. Probably, honestly, my favorite one of the entire Boogie Vans set. And last of the Boogie Van ones that I do have, the Dodge Parts and Service. So the one I am missing is actually a brown Ford Econoline. I wasn't too hard pressed to try to find yet. Because it kind of annoys me that the rear wheels are the same as the front. Whereas pretty much all the other ones have the bigger wheels in the back, other than this Dodge one, and I think maybe one other one. Kind of quick looking, because that's not Boogie Vans. Yeah, I think that's the only, that one and that one Econoline, I think are the only ones that have same size front and rear. The rest of them are offset. Alright, and lastly, kind of another little bonus one we're going to open up here. The Mopar or No Car set. We got the black D150. I assume it's a D150. Based on Nicholas Janka's actual Dodge van. So, come on, that one's just pretty cool. Actually, we'll get the card, pull the card out of here. Let's check something. Yeah. I don't know. I guess they went with the same size wheels because they are the same on his actual van. But it looks really cool with that spider web on it. So, but alright. This one's freaking dusty out of the package. Holy hell. Alright, well, whatever. Yeah. Alright, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Have a good one.